Leetcode daily challenge. 696 count binary substrings. Since these digital 1 or 0 are grouped consecutively, that means one never is stopped, say at this point, or this point, or this point. So from 0 to 1, or 1 to 0, or 0 to 1. So these are some points we can do some checking, but other than these points, they're gonna be consecutive 0, and we can count the number of zeros. Same there, we can count of the number of ones. This will be when there are consecutive digits. Then otherwise, we're gonna do some checking. Say at this point, when two digits are not equal to its neighbor, that means the previous count of 0 and the count of 1 can be used to count the number of grouping consecutively. Say if there are 2 0 and 3 1, that means 2 valuable answers. Or say 3 0 and 3 1, that means 3 valid answers. Or 1 0 3 1, that means 1 valid result. But these are the two key points we're gonna check. Either we count the number of 0 or 1, or we added some number of grouped consecutive 1 or 0 to the result. That's the solution. We're gonna solve this problem.